Hello everyone, thank you for watching the Learning Mandarin segment, proudly sponsored by the China Southern Airlines. I am Hui Lin from the Mandarin Beats.
And I'm Peter Vlahos. I'm a broadcaster with 6PR and Channel 7, and I'm looking forward to learning a couple of words in Mandarin today.
So we're going to start with something quite basic and just build up from there.
Okay.
Obviously, we need to start with how you address yourself and address other people. I, you, we, they, he, she is. I is 我.
I is 我.
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 你 is you.
我, 你.
And he and she, there's no gender differences in Chinese Mandarin in terms of conversational.
Right.
There is in writing. So he and she is 他.
他.
我.
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 我. 他我.
Yeah. 他.
我.
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 你.
你.
他.
我, 你.
他.
他.
Yes. Let's do a test here. Who's the prettiest here?
你.
And the ugliest?
我.
Let's move on to we, they, and you.
Okay.
So we
together
is 我们.
我们, yeah.
They, 他们.
他们. 我们, we, 他们, they.
They. And you, 你们.
你们, you.
Yes, that's right. So more than a person. Who makes the best team for this segment?
Best team for this segment would be Teamman.
Teamman.
Was it? Well, maybe Woman. Us two. Best team. Okay.
We are the A team.
Yeah,
Woman.
right.
Which airline is one of the best airlines in town?
Tarman.
Tarman. Let's repeat what we have learned just now. I. Yes.
我.
Okay. So
我.
I is.
我.
You.
你.
Absolutely good. And he or she
is 他.
Good.
他.
All right.
Okay.
Plural. When you have more than a person. We or us. We are the best team. And that is?
The woman team.
Yes.
Tarman. China Southern is Tarman.
Tarman.
Yeah, Tarman.
And what about you? Plural.
Nieman.
Yes! Wonderful!
Thank you.